Hey, what's up guys? A little bit of a different video here today because let's be honest, we're living in different times now. It's just things have been crazy. I'm sure they are where you are. Where I am here in New Jersey, they're definitely a little crazy. You know, one of the things I've been thinking about lately is what do you guys do to stay creative? What do you do to keep your creative mind working, to learn new skills, to work on your video skills, work on your camera skills, take pictures, take videos, whatever. What do you guys do? For me, I know it's been a little tough here in New Jersey. It's been nasty weather and hasn't been too nice, but finally we got a nice day here. I'm outside and working on a little school project with my kids. We're building some little fairy houses. I'll show you some clips of that at the end here. But I just wanted to make this video here and see how you guys are being creative, because I'm sure your routine is all different. Everything's all different. For me, I've been spending a lot of time teaching my kiddos, which is not something I'm so good at, so not my forte, but that's what we got to do now, right? So I'm using this opportunity, working on this project to get out here and make a little video for them for school, send it on over to their classmates, and it's fun for them and fun for me too. So what kind of things are you guys working on? Are you working on anything? What are you doing to be creative? Comment down below. I'm curious to see what you guys are doing, and just want to thank you guys for checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.
Okay, hi. Today we are gonna make some fairy houses, and we're gonna be gathering around some stuff that we can use for our fairy houses. And before we do that, I think that wherever we build our fairy houses, it should be in the shade, because if or when a fairy goes in it, maybe they're tired from all that sun or from flying all day. So I think we should make it in the shade. So I just found a top of the birdhouse, and I'm thinking it could be the top, and then like something could be right here could be the window of the top of the house. So there could be like a half circle window on the top of the house. So this is gonna be my roof. It could be like a railing. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little railing so you don't fall down. It's cool. Squishy, wet. So now I'm thinking these could be like a pole at the beginning. Maybe I'll find some leaves on the way. Then I am going to decorate. So I am going to grab some, well, acorns, flowers, if I can find any. Maybe I can make like a little carpet at the front door, maybe. So, we'll see.